Hey! What's up, everyone? I'm Anna from For Real, and welcome back to another fun and helpful tutorial. Tired of constantly pulling your AirPods out every time someone asks you a question or you need to hear a quick announcement? This video shows you exactly how to enable AirPods transparency mode step by step, and it's going to change how you use them forever. If you've ever felt that slight annoyance of pausing your podcast, pulling out an earbud that's now dangling awkwardly, all just to say what was that? You are definitely in the right place. Noise cancellation is amazing, but it can also make you feel completely disconnected from the world. It can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Well, today we are fixing that for good. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the super fast way to activate transparency mode. This amazing feature uses the external microphones on your AirPods to let outside sound in, so you can have a full conversation or hear your surroundings clearly, all while your AirPods stay right where they are. It's a total game changer, especially for you AirPods Pro users. Okay, step 1. We need to open the control center. This is the fastest way to access your noise control on iPhone. If you have an iPhone with Face ID, just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. If you have an older iPhone with a home button, you'll swipe up from the bottom. Step 2. Now that you're in the control center, you'll see a bunch of icons. You want to find the volume slider. You'll know it's the right one because it will have a little icon of your AirPods inside of it. Now don't just tap it. You need to press and hold on that volume bar. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a huge favor and tap that like button below. It really helps the channel and lets me know I should make more AirPods Pro tips like this one. Thanks. Okay, back to it. Step 3. All right, you should now see a much larger volume slider. Look at the very bottom. You'll see a button labeled Noise Control. Tap that. This will reveal your 3 key options: noise cancellation, off, and the one we want, transparency. Go ahead and tap Transparency. And just like that, you'll instantly hear the world around you through your AirPods. You can test it right now. The difference is incredible. Pro tip. Now, the control center is the fastest way, but it's not the only way. For you pros out there, you can also switch modes by physically pressing and holding the stem on either your left or right AirPod Pro. You'll hear a little chime as it switches between noise cancellation and transparency. And if you want to customize this, you can go into your iPhone settings, tap on Bluetooth, and then tap the little eye icon next to your AirPods. This is where you can find all of your detailed AirPods Pro settings and control which modes the stem press cycles through. But have you ever wondered how this magic actually works? It's not just letting sound leak in. Your AirPods are actively using their outward-facing microphones to capture the sound around you, and the powerful H1 or H2 chip inside processes that sound and plays it back into your ear in real time, making it feel completely natural. To perfect this, Apple tests it in special ultra-silent rooms called anechoic chambers. And there you have it! You now know exactly how to enable transparency mode using the control center and the physical button on your AirPods. No more fumbling to take them out. You can now stay connected to your audio and your environment at the same time. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips to get the most out of your Apple devices, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other AirPods feature should I cover next? Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next one.